I just want to show you what we change this into this. This is stage 1. So, you see? All right, so I started painting. I'm using this like gray chalk paint. This here is, I don't know if that's gonna take because it's dry erase board. But because they were out of the one dice that everybody's doing from the Dollar Tree, so, and you know me, I always want to do something a little bit different. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple of coats on this, and I will show you the next step. Okay, so this is, I think, 2 or 3 coats of the chalk paint, and I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. And so I'm gonna see about either putting this on. I don't want it to be black. I want it to be like a darker gray or even a white. So I'm gonna play around and see what we can come up with, but use, if nothing else, use these as like a stencil potentially. So let me show you what I'm gonna come up with a couple of different options, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so what I did is I ended up going with the decals, and as you can see, it looks like this. And then what I'm doing is, I didn't have black paint, but I have this chalkboard paint, and I'm kind of like dry brushing it just a little bit. I think that's a little bit too. I'm like touching the edges. And what I did with this L, you can kind of see it from here. And just kind of like, I didn't want to do the black, but it's actually coming out pretty cool. Let me see if we can get a better look at it. Like I said, just slightly dry. Go over it with your brush, and even around here, see, around that, where that dry erase board, around that circle area, to just bring it, give it a little bit more character. And around the letters, see? A little bit more here. Okay. And just give it a little bit of an aged look. And so what I'm planning to do, once I'm finished up here, I put the L here, but I put a O. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put an H right here so I can switch it to home. And so let me show you how I'm gonna do that. Make sure that's dry. My kids came over messing with stuff. I'm gonna grab this H. Where are you, H? Pull this off. Uh-oh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Peel this H off. So I'm gonna pull this back. Make sure I line it up. All right, so now take my black and just brush over it again. Like I said, just bring some character to it. Oh, make sure that's down. Okay. All right, so now we have home. So we have home, or love. All right, guys, so as you can see, it spells out home now. It may be backwards, but also if you want, you can do love. And what I'm thinking of doing is, I'm gonna see how this looks, is adding this little flower here. Actually, probably do it here so that. And what it had yellow, and I had put some, please excuse my hands, I have like eczema on my hands, but I'm probably gonna have to paint it a little bit more, but I'm gonna try to stick it on here real quick. Let's see. So I removed this backing, and just gonna glue it. Guess what? It's just glue, it's just paint. If it doesn't look right, pull it off. Try again. Hopefully that's enough glue. You just hold that down. See, the red isn't really in my decor style, but for Valentine's Day, I thought it'd be a cute option for Valentine's Day. Oh, you're gonna have to hold that more. There we go. Take that off. And I don't know if I was gonna be even fancier. And then add this one here. I might just stick it back here just to see how it would look. If you guys can see. L-V-E. What do you guys think? Okay guys, so here is the final result of our Dollar Tree love and home and just your regular home. Okay, so what I did was I painted with the chalk paint and added the decals that we got from the Dollar Tree, and then I already had some mason jars. I just painted with the same chalk paint and added some red flowers. And then this one here, I probably won't keep red. I mean, we're doing it for Valentine's Day, you know, kind of put it in that festivities of Valentine's, but I'll remove it because we really don't have a lot of red in our decor. Actually, we don't have any red in our decor. As you can see up here, just scanning, we're more of the earth tones and things of that nature. But again, listen, we were able to make this for $5, not including the paint, of course. But these were $1 a piece, and these are the larger ones. Remember, these are the ones with the dry erase in the middle. And I just added I decided to add the flower just to give it a little bit of extra, you know, whatever, and distressed it. So here we go. And as you can see, the L is here. And this one on the side is where I was trying to do something different, and I didn't really like that. It was a little bit too light. So we went with the actual decal. So, all right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and share if you like these different types of decorating on a budget type of videos. I actually enjoy doing it. I hope you will make your own and let us know what you created and come up with, you can, like I said, you can customize it to how you want it. If you just so happen don't want the gray and the black, you could do it with white, and then you can just dress it with gray, or you can just dress it with black, or you can just keep it all white or have them painted red. You can add polka dots, little red polka dots, white with red polka dots, or hearts, you know what I mean? So it's all up to you what you would like to do to create something. You know, crafting is fun, so you create something that you like for your design style. But this here was fun, and we're out. So thank you. Subscribe, like, and share. Smooches.